So how to use MD Vinyl with Spotify? So this is a trending app. It's a kind of music widget called MD Vinyl. It's a free app to install. But then to use it fully, you will need still to upgrade. But like the idea is that you just install this app and then you just have this really cool widgets which you can add to your home screen. These are only home screen widgets. There aren't any like lock screen widgets and all. So to use it with Spotify, just go here and then you will have the two buttons, either login with Apple or login with Spotify. And then if you just have Spotify app installed, you will be able to basically use this app and then just listen to music and then just basically move it like that and it will start playing. It has this really nice layouts where you can just tap on it. You can just change the different layouts. You can go and just access settings. You can also use widgets on your home screen, use widgets on in standby, which is pretty cool feature. In iOS 17, this kind of lock screen. So here you have Spotify I connected. Then you just have here all of that, and then yeah, just basically that's how you use it, and you just set up different themes um, as you want. So yep, that's the process. You can also change it like that, and then when you just move the needle it starts playing. But also you can just tap and hold and basically just install the widget. So just tap plus, and then here you have MD Vinyl where you can just go and install widget. They have this classic MD Studio widget where unfortunately you need to upgrade, so that's a bit of annoying thing here. So then you can also just again tap in there, go to MD Vinyl, and then again there are some kind of old school widgets, and again they're unfortunately not accessible for free. That's super annoying. That actually the main feature of this app, these cool widgets, you need to basically upgrade. So upgrade is not that expensive. It's like $5 lifetime. So not monthly, not weekly, lifetime. You pay once and you have access to unlimited access, all themes, all widget, no ads and future updates. So pretty good deal. So if you like your home screen to be a bit more nice looking and you like Spotify and like listening music, consider this app.